Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today, as I'm very excited to show you the final product of our SRT8 restoration. It took us almost a year to bring this beautiful car to her original glory. Every single square inch of this beauty was touched with love and detailed attention to bring her back to the original condition of how she was in 2006. All the parts, including the exterior, interior, the bodywork, the suspension, the drivetrain, either replaced or reconditioned to make her look, sound, drive, handle, and make you feel as she did in 2006. But before we roll the video of a compact stream of this restoration, there was something else I wanted to do for a long period of time. Admittedly, I'm a huge fan of the first original films of Fast and Furious. And since I live in a close proximity to where these movies were filmed and to where, unfortunately, Paul Walker made his last stop, I wanted to pay a tribute to a true lover of the motorsports who, unfortunately and mistakenly, had to go a bit too soon.
Retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Smoke. Look, I have my good days and I have my bad days just like anybody else.
Ryan, don't lose that cool.
One It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see